Before you go surprised why this price reversal happened in the Bank Nifty today, consider understanding market structure. So these are the visible reversal zones which I marked. So the price came down, reversed, came down, reversed, came down, reversed. So these are the zones which zone is visible for other higher time frame traders. So we expect the other time frame traders will come and take their decision at this point, these points. Today, these players come and push the price from here. No surprise. So the first trade was short. I was expected the zone at 34,720. This was the zone. If the buyers were getting weaker at this point, the sellers will push down. As expected, as buyers could not push the price above here. So sellers came in, entered short, exited a first at this point, and remaining exit what was at this area. The reason is again very simple. This was the visible reversal point which we marked in our higher time. As I mentioned here, exited the short position at 34,260 at this area. The reason, the sellers are not so strong, and I'm not surprised with this push because this is a zone we already marked. We are expecting a buyers to come and take their decision. Again, the sellers were weak. So if sellers were weak at the buyers area, what will happen? This will happen. So I'm showing a few charts which I shared in the STMP group. So this chart I asked to expect or observe this zone at 34,194. So at this area, and before that I read this candles are weakness in the sellers, this area. Before price come and reach this area, you have to read this as a weakness in the sellers so that you can take a long. And one more thing, so we have a study of a momentum. So if momentum gets weak, trend may change. So momentum gets weak while approaching this area, so trend change, no surprise in this long. And we got a few good short trade and long trade as well. And I'm done for the day. And if you want to know why this reversed at this point, I recommend you to go watch the first few minutes of this video, so where I have explained the higher time frame analysis as well. And if you want to join the simple trader telegram group, the link is below. You can join. Thank you.